So are you also just door to door making business relationships locally? Because I feel like you're actually kind of a dream for a lot of different kinds of businesses
Mm.
locally. What does that look like?
Yes, absolutely. Partnerships have been foundational for us. One in particular with a cosmetic company called Winky Lux, that we were able to actually use their store to base out of to start every tour in the Gulch and have pictures spots there. They had areas where that were photo worthy, but then also like kind of a brick and mortar without having to pay rent for one. We were so close to the gals that worked in there. It was almost like we were one big team. And then I also partnered with a apartment complex because I would walk past it and go, man, I wish I just had, because I don't live in the Gulch, I live out in the country. So when I would go to do a tour and have time in between, I had nowhere to go, nowhere to be. I'd be changing clothes, eating dinner in my car, kind of thing. And so I was like, man, I just wish I had a base somewhere. Well, I ended up partnering with an apartment complex that said, do one event for us a month, come take pictures for it, and you have all access to the building, free parking, access for me and my team, the gym, the pool, and was able to access their rooftop. So we also have, in addition to you, an add-on for Photowalk, private access to do a champagne pop rooftop there that no other photographer has access to. So
I mean,
partnership.
shout it from the rooftops. Partnerships, partnerships, partnerships. And these are some of the most unorthodox partnerships I've ever heard. Um,
I like that.
Winky Lux and an apartment building. I don't know how you balance partnership building with just being a good community member. I think this is partially, for example, the power of hosting or attending Tourpreneurs meetups.
Mhm.
Who knows what's going to come from it, right? You were just actually at our conference in Charleston. It sounds like you had some kind of like serendipitous connection building just through attending.
Yes, in Charleston, I was able to meet the owner of Nashville Water Taxi and Pontoon Saloon. And tomorrow, I'm partnering up with them to host an influencer media night on the boat. I've done that before for Photowalk. I've had like an influencer media night, but I've never done that for another company. And so, because of that connection, just some conversations that were had in Charleston. And then Bonnie and I were on the plane coming back to Nashville together. So, we talked a little more on the plane and we're like, yeah, let's do stuff. Back to that cheesy phrase, rising tide raises all ships. I mean, it really does. The more that we're
Mm.
working together and not seeing each other as competition. Nashville is big enough. And when people are coming in, there's enough time for them to do all of our things. And I just feel
Yeah.
like everybody, let's work together.
Yeah. Preach it, sister.